Hello, Unit 1, Task 3. Here's a flag of a country, the Bahamas. You guys all got a country's flag during class, and that's what we're going to use for this homework assignment. For a simplified example of how to use this, let's say the short side or the tall side of the flag is 3 units and the long side is 5 units. So this flag has a ratio of the side lengths that's 3/5, 3 to 5, and that can be expressed as a fraction 3/5. If I make my flag much bigger and say now the long side is 350 units, what becomes of the short side? How can I find that? In order to find that, we want to set up something called a proportion. A proportion is two fractions that are equal to each other. So 3/5 equals something over 350. Because these fractions are equal, we can multiply diagonally across the equal sign. So 350 times 3 is 1,050. And 5 times a question mark, any variable will be fine there. 5x. Okay, so from here, let's just solve. Divide each side by 5. 1,050 divided by 5, how about 210? Okay, so 210 is my missing side. This is the way that you're going to solve the homework question that I'm about to give you. Your flag is going to change its size, change the length of the long side. You've got a flag on a piece of paper and it's this big, but I want you to imagine the long side of your flag to be the width of a human hair. So you're going to have a really small flag. How big is it? What are the dimensions of your really small flag? You're also going to have a really big flag. I want to see the long side of a flag that goes the same distance as Helsinki, Finland, to Osaka, Japan. So you're going to have a really small flag and a really big flag. So I want to see what are we looking at for the dimensions of those two flags for your homework assignment.